Gatorlyte Rapid Rehydration Electrolyte Drink Pouch Packing Machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. The feature of this machine has 3 set sealing pattern. First sealing is vertical sealing. Second is horizontal sealing. Third is cooling, which is easy cutting to make. Pouch sealing perfectly, and also extend the use time of the cutting tool. This machine also has a waste recycling system. This machine are normally using bottle-shaped pouch. It's very popular in the world. The size and dimensions of the small bags can be customized. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically